Hello and welcome to Martin Maths. We're doing a Maths GCSE Foundation paper to prepare for the upcoming exams. Question 15 here says there is a list of ingredients for making 6 pancakes, 100 grams of plain flour, 300 mils of milk, 2 eggs and 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. But Jenny wants to make 15 pancakes. So how much of each ingredient does she need? So this is a paper 1. So it's a non-calculator paper. Now 15 is 6 plus 6 plus 3, because 6 plus 6 is 12 and half of that. So I know that for the flour, I would have 100 plus 100 plus half of that, which would be 50. For milk, I would have 300, and then half of that. Eggs will be 2 and 2 and 1. And then oil, it would be 1 and 1 and a half. So to fill those all in, flour will be 250 grams, milk will be 750, that's 250 there. 3, 6, 750 there. 5 eggs and 2.5 tablespoons of cooking oil. Okay, it's a nice 3-mark question. What about seeing the proportion or scaling up from 6 to 15? What we're doing is timesing by 2.5. So 1, 2, and that half. Okay, question 16. Some algebra now. T equals 10 and W is 6. And we're going to work out 2T minus 3W. So the skill we need here is substitution. 2 times 10 minus 3 times 6. 20 minus 18, which is 2. 2 times 10 is 20. 3 times 6 is 18. So the difference is 2. Now I have to simplify this. So here the skill is collecting like terms. I have 5m and 1m, so that's 6m. And I have 3p minus 2p, so I have 1p there. So 5 plus there's an invisible 1 there is 6. 3 take away 2 leaves us 1 there. And there we go. That's another 2 marks there and 2 marks there. So a total of 7 marks in those 2 questions. There we go. That's Martin Maths, recipes and algebra. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and good luck for your exams.